Hello students, we are going to discuss about the science here. Discuss what is the part which is on demand. Discuss on positive and negative science. Uh, so negative, this problem is created in whenever the basics when you're learning for fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh student. At this grade, this standard they are facing a problem. So video on demand for the kids and both one. So one more part is that let's go first with we will work with the multiplication. Just I'll show you the multiplication part. If you'll go with the multiplication, you know, minus multiplied by minus will give you plus. Remember the concept minus and minus. And normally too for the enjoyment, what we prefer, what I had told, what I say to the students here is if a mom is telling in both ways, mom is suggesting, mom is telling, and mom is only deciding, then the decision goes always positive. Remember, now it's mom is there, see it is negative multiplied by if dad is telling something, that is a good example, dad is telling, it becomes a negative, what mom says that is correct, mom is correct. It becomes a negative. Another way, see, if dad is suggesting something, this is a dad, he's taking a decision. And again, mom says no to this decision particular. Again, what mom says, that is only correct. So you can revise it this way. So positive multiplied by negative is negative. Negative multiplied by positive is negative. Negative into negative becomes positive. In both cases, when mom is only telling and mom is only deciding, it becomes a positive. Otherwise, in both all the cases, when signs are different, that will be a negative part. And this positive, what is nothing else. This is positive only because what dad is telling and dad is deciding and dad is doing. It is of least concern. It is only related for the earnings. Okay, as far as your schools and your fees are concerned. So this is the criteria for plus plus plus. So in case of multiplication, this stage goes away with this part. So now next part goes if you'll work here with let's go here with those yes, I'll clear this. I'll clear this. Let's work with the positive. Now here is real confusion is created. What will happen? Real confusion is created. Why confusion is created in this case? What happens in multiplication division? If plus and you're adding a negative number, then the decision will be you'll be subtracting that. Remember, you'll be subtracting that, and the greater number you'll be giving a greater number sign needs should be applied over here. Remember, it is a greater number sign. For example, if it is minus plus 13 plus minus 2, then you'll be subtracting that 13 minus 2, that is 11. This is the regular way. Now 13 having positive side. So this is what is the greater among 13 and 2? 13 is greater. So we are getting this positive. But where student get confused in this case, if it is minus 2 plus 13, the student get confused. Now here also you are going to do the same thing. You will be subtracting 13 minus 2, 11 only, and 13, this positive sign is for the greater number. So you'll be giving a positive sign. Another example, if it is minus 6 plus 9, then you'll be subtracting, you'll be doing what procedure will 9 minus 6, that is 3. And which is great number. 9 is a big number. What is the sign for that? That is positive. Clear? So this is what the part happens with plus minus. Don't say plus minus, minus means subtraction. Plus minus minus is subtraction. You want to subtract that. Now similarly, if it is anyway, it is minus plus again minus. Now in this case, the part diverse. When both signs are same, when you are having same signs, see plus plus or plus 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 sign, same signs. When you are having same sign, the always result is positive. You are going to add, and you are going to give a same sign over there. Same sign will be given. For example, just I'll erase this top part and just give an example. With this example, that will be more clear. Now, if you'll observe this one, just see, I'll change color for this. Suppose now, if it is minus 13. So you're going to add them. 13 is 13 plus 13. That will be 26 there. And the same sign, minus minus, you'll be given negative sign over there. Now 13 plus 13, by default, this is also plus. Plus plus, that is also plus 36. So both are plus. This is a regular way which everybody solve. But this is here the confusion created. If both are minus, you are going to add them and you will be giving the same sign like both are having. One more example, if it is minus 10, minus 20. Now here, don't get confused. Minus, minus, you'll be adding them. You are adding them, sorry. 10 plus 20, that will be your 30. Now both are minus. This is negative. Even you say greater number sign, don't get confused with greater number, small number. The same side you are going to continue. It is negative 30. That will be going to become a negative 30. So actually concept is that, and if, one more thing, if this minus 10 and plus minus 20, this comes in between, then what you will be doing? What you are going to do, you are going to multiply these two. You'll be plus into minus minus. You'll be writing minus 10, minus 20. That will be negative 30. The same sign is going to continue. Right? So don't get confused. When both are negative, you will be adding, and both are positive, you will be adding. But signs are different. If different for a different sign, when signs are different, remember different signs, you will be doing algebraic, you will be subtracting that. Subtraction. What you'll be doing? You will be subtracting. You will be doing a subtraction work. Getting it? For different signs, you'll be having a subtraction over here. So this is important. Don't get confused with this addition, subtraction, greater number sign. And remember, the greater number sign is related to plus minus, algebraic addition or subtraction. Greater number sign. Remember, one more thing, just keep it in mind. The greater number sign. I'm deleting this part. So greater number sign. Remember one basic concept in this case now. The greater number sign, the number sign, greater number sign is related to addition or subtraction of integers, integers, and multiplication, multiplication, multiplication or division. No, no concept of this greater number, greatest number. No concept of greater number signs. Greater number sign. Nothing. Just remember this. Don't get confused with multiplication or division and addition strategy. No concept. Only just minus into minus will become plus, plus plus, and minus into plus will become minus. Minus plus into minus is going to become minus. So different sign negative, same sign positive, nothing else. This is the concept with the multiplication and division. Here only we will be doing subtraction or addition, giving the sign which the largest number. Greater number sign means largest number sign. You can say the number which is largest among the two. Among two numbers. Okay, getting clear? Another concept? Okay, thank you.